powered by this experience, I think now more than ever, I look at life from a totally different view. I feel like I took with me growth and maturity, and I feel like I'm more comfortable being able to speak in front of people, meeting new people. I had to stay with people who I did not know at all, and I kind of trust people a little more, but with caution. The thing that surprised me the most about my homestay was how welcoming they were. It wasn't a day that went by that my homestay mom wasn't laughing or sparking a conversation or trying to teach me Spanish. They were just genuinely loving from the beginning and from the heart. Definitely down to earth.